Well, good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome back. Welcome back to another trading session. It is not a wonderful day, but it's kind of cloudy here in Portugal. So, but it's a good Monday, and it's a good start of the week as well. So I hope you had a nice weekend. And I hope you will have a nice week as well. So my weekend was kind of chilled out. So I hope your was too. Well, let's get back and straight to the charts, as we can see here. Just to disclose it, Topstep is having some issues with the X platform. So I don't know if we will be able to take any trades. During the stream, you will probably hear on the left inferior corner here, you will probably see some connection issues. And I'm looking at the connection status right now, and it's kind of bad here on the trading platform from Topstep. So I don't know if we will be able to trade something today due to connection issues and due to instability in in the platform. So if we won't be able, that's okay. We will just reprice. But yeah, it's kind of annoying when something like that really happens. Well, let's get straight to business, right? Yeah, let's start with the weekly chart. It's a bit messy, but I will zoom in a bit. Yeah, the last week, we kind of offered an inside candle with no follow through to the upside or to the downside, and we left a price kind of left a upper wick and a lower wick here as well. And right now price is just supporting on the opening price from yesterday's from the last week's opening price. Close price, and it's kind of trying to get above and try to fulfill here this week. So this week to us is our main point of attention right now, especially on this Monday no news. So we have to keep in mind that we are in a no news Monday as well. So no news Monday always keep in mind that always it can always be a tricky session. So keep that in mind and try not to force anything, or eventually try to deleverage a little bit, go a little bit lower on the type of leverage that you use. Going into the daily, you can see that the last so Friday's high has been taken here. We are approaching Thursday's high, which I believe is the next draw on liquidity. We are just a couple handles away from it, so we will probably face or try to face Wednesday's high as well. And as you can see here, these lines here, these orange lines here, marks the weekly wick, and we are trying to get above the 50% of it, reaching for 75%, which is right above the Thursday high. So if we can maintain price above the 50%, I believe we will continue higher towards the 75%, the previous week's high, and eventually then all-time highs. But not for now. I believe we will have to give it some time. Looking at the 4-hour, you can see that this fair value gap that was used on Friday's price action, yeah, we kind of pierced it. It was not an easy pierce here because price was kind of working inside of it, but you can see that price here on the last 4-hour candle, it kind of left the 75% mark behind, and it's now trading above this bearish 4-hour fair value gap. So if we can maintain price outside of this 4-hour fair value gap, I believe we will invert it and eventually keep driving higher towards previous day high, or towards previous week's high. So looking at the 1 hour, so zooming in a little bit into price action here, we can see that we are close to Thursday high. I don't know if we already took out that buy side liquidity on NQ, but it seems like, yeah, we already took Thursday's high on NQ, so NQ is kind of stronger here. Yeah, it's the charts are very messy here on TopStepX. I can't even see the 1 minute NQ chart for now, so I apologize for that, but I will probably not be able to engage with price action. And I'm trying to look for the 15-minute because I have some charts here on my side. And yeah, the last candle that I can see, it's the 7 a.m. candle. So it's not even, the charts are not even refreshing. So it's kind of messy here. But the main chart is working, so we will work with this one. So 15 minutes, the 15-minute already took out London highs. We took out London lows as well. So since we are in a no news Monday, we can eventually agree that our price will just move towards new highs, not looking back, or we will have some sort of a seek and destroy pattern, since the main liquidity has been targeted already. So London highs, London lows. I mean, the main liquidity on the low time frames, of course. Just let me, yeah. So zooming in a little bit more. So you can see now that things are kind of a little bit more cleaner here. I will mark the 9:30 open, which is this big candle here. 9:30 open. So Asia, we took out Asia highs. We took out London lows. We already took out London highs as well. And we are reaching for Thursday's high as well. Friday's high has been already taken, so it's not a big deal for us. And these shaded areas here, I will push this a little bit more to our right, just to have it marked. There we go. So prices, see what's happening here. User API disconnected, attempting to reconnect. So it will probably be not possible to take any trades today. I'm looking at the Discord server, and it's not. There are a lot of people. There are a lot of people trying to trade, and they are not been able to do it. So we will not force it. See, it's trying to connect once again, but it's not connecting. So it's not an issue with my internet provider or my internet status or my internet connection. It's a problem with the platform. So there's nothing we can do about it. So I will mark the first presented fair value gap here. Let's continue with the analysis. I will not take the 9:30 candle as the first presented fair value gap. You already know about that. So I will take this one here. Because we have this volume imbalance, I will integrate the volume imbalance on the first presented fair value gap. And we are kind of frozen here. Yeah, we can't do nothing right now. Damn. This is not good at all. Are you guys using Topstep, or are you just trading in other type of platforms? Because I can do nothing right now. See, it's trying to reconnect, but it's not been able to reconnect. Let me check their Discord. Yeah, they already acknowledged the problem, but they are still working on it. Yeah, everybody's talking about it on their Discord. So okay, this would be our first presented fair value gap. I'm not able to identify it because the platform is kind of frozen here. But what I would like to see on price is a move lower eventually to support on the first presented fair value gap, and then price, I don't know, probably reaching for support around event horizon, doing something like this, and reach for previous week's high here. This would be probably the main trade idea here on ES. But right now, guys, that's there's nothing we can do. I apologize for it, but yeah, can do nothing about it. This is very, 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 very annoying. And even if I try to restart the platform, it's seems like trade of eight is down too. Are you guys facing some issues right now? Or is it just me? Because I can't do anything here. We are disconnected from the platform. So there's nothing we can do right now. Can't even see what price is doing. I can eventually use my trading view, but yeah, my trading view has not the same scheme color, and I have nothing marked on my trading view. I just use trading view to look for crypto and not to look for futures, the futures market. But yeah, I believe there's nothing we can do, guys. This is very annoying. I'll just sip in my coffee while I wait for a reconnection here. Let me just try to reconnect the platform. Just give me a second, guys. Yeah, can't even refresh the page. So right now, all you can see is it's just a black screen, which is my TopStepX platform. So was not expecting this, honestly. I'm just trying to refresh it, but nothing is happening. And there's a lot of people here on their Discord. Their Discord is on fire right now. There are still some people trying to trade, and I believe there are some guys that can connect to their platform, but yeah, I'm not able to do it. As you can see here, it's everything is black now. That's a shame. Topstep X is really down now. There's nothing we can do. I will try to refresh the page, but honestly, it will not work. Yeah, it's not working at all. We'll try once again and once again. Just let me see what they are saying here on the Discord. Yeah, there's a lot of people here. This is really annoying, honestly. Are you facing the same problems? Because we can't connect. We can't even connect. Well, we are monitoring an AWS outage. Some services may be degraded. Check status. Okay. Let me just try to reconnect here. Just give me a second, guys. Yeah, it seems like we are still trying to connect, but no connection available. Well. Let me just try once again. So yeah, guys, there's nothing we can do, honestly. So I can't even connect, as you can see. I can't even connect to the platform. As you can see, it seems like the new dashboard is degraded performance, legacy dashboard. It says that it's kind of operational, but I don't think so. TopStepX, partial outage. So yeah, let me just check the weekly. No. Let me just refresh this one. We are continuing to investigate this issue. We are aware of the ongoing AWS outage, and we are actively monitoring its impact on TopStep services. May be degraded or not fully functional at this time. Yeah. So yeah, guys, there's no trading. I'm really sorry about this, but yeah, I guess there's nothing I can do. We'll try to reconnect once again. Well, still the same. So nothing we can do here. They say there's a partial outage on TopStepX. So there's nothing we can do here. We are still waiting for some sort of resolution of this problem here on TopStepX. Can't even look at my charts right now, so let me just go and see what's happening on their Discord. So yeah, everything is still down here, as you can see. Everybody panicking. Yeah, a lot of people might be in some sort of position, so I understand that some of them might be freaking out here. But yeah, there's nothing we can do, guys. Unfortunately, there's nothing we can do. We are still, because they announced they recognized the problem somewhere around here. Contact support. No. Status update. We have received reports that some traders are experiencing issues on TopStepX due to an ongoing AWS outage. Our team is actively investigating, and we will provide updates as soon as we have more information. In the meantime, please refrain from trading until services are fully restored. Yeah. It is what it is. I'm very sorry about this, but there's nothing we can do right now. Let me just try to reconnect here, but I don't think that it will be possible to trade today. I don't think it will be possible for us to trade. Let's try once again here. Yeah, that's a nice trading setup. I really like these types of gifts. Oh my god. What am I doing here? What am I really doing here? Come on, Topstep. The gods didn't want me to trade. First blown accounts, finally got the mindset correct. First day funded for the 6th time, and up 3K and another 2K on gold, then outage. Well, kind of glad it's not working. Tried a short on demo and got stopped. What the heck, Topstep? I'm down 16K. Damn. Damn. 4 minutes ago, Amazon's first fix for huge AWS internet blackout didn't fully work, as Wordle, Apple Music, and more are down again. Live updates. So is this not only on Topstep? We'll try to connect once again, but yeah, I don't think that we will be able to do anything today. And I might not even try to force anything because things might be unstable for a while. Let me just AWS outage just to look for live updates. AWS outage 8 minutes ago, worldwide AWS outage. What's happening? Amazon Web Services say issue mitigated as sites hit by global internet outage. Well, it seems like it's not just on Topstep. More than 1 million reports made by US users in 2 hours. Well, if you go into, let me just go here and Amazon website web services say issue mitigated as sites hit by global internet outage. More than 1 million reports made by US users in 2 hours. Damn. Why do these keep happening? Elon Musk closes AWS services meltdown. Yeah. Global outage disrupted airline systems. Well, it seems like it's not been only Topstep that's been having AWS um, outage problems. I guess it's a global problem. So yeah, guys, let me just check. 6 hours ago, worldwide AWS outage. Yeah, it seems like it's global. It's not just the TopStep platform that's having or that's facing some issues here. It seems a something that's global. Yeah, if only I could manage the trade. Yeah, guys, it's there's nothing we can do here. Let me just check what's happening with Amazon stocks. Hmm, nothing. Oh well. Yeah, Amazon Web Services seems seems like they are still down here, at least for TopStepX. Yeah, as you can see, still down. Let me see if there's any sort of live update here on the Amazon Web Services outage. Doesn't seem like it. Oh well, guys. Well, guys, I think I will probably close the stream. There's nothing we can do here. Unfortunately, there's still some problems with the Amazon Web Services. So there's an outage on the Amazon Web Services, and seems like Topstep is dependent on their services to run. So yeah, there's no trading today. There is no trading. Yeah, we are still down here. So this is really a shame. I guess our I guess our let me just check what the market is doing. Yeah, but I guess our bias was kind of correct. It didn't deliver how we wanted, but the bullish the bullish continuation was kind of correct here. But yeah, we are still down here. Amazon Web Services are still down. So Topstep, since Topstep is dependent on it, um, they are still down as well. There's nothing we can do here. Just waiting. It seems like um, it won't be fixed because it's not a Topstep issue. It's an Amazon issue. So yeah, I guess we will probably end the stream here because there's nothing we can do. I'm just watching the Topstep um the Topstep Discord, and it's, as you can see here, everybody is trying to say something, and yeah, it's down for everybody. It's really down for everybody here on Topstep. Do you guys trade Topstep, or do you guys trade anything else? Um, I don't know, maybe Tradeify or something like that. Well, it seems like Elon Musk, he must be laughing right now. Let me just check here, refresh this CNN business. Amazon Web Service says issue mitigated, but it's not mitigated at all. At least not for Topstep. Yeah, it seems like Snapchat and other major apps are facing the same problems here. It's not just a Topstep issue. Well, I guess everybody who's dependent on Amazon Web Services, yeah, they might be facing this problem. There's nothing we can do, guys. So unfortunately, there will not be any sort of trading session today. Seems like we will. I, I was. I had some hope that it would be reestablished, but yeah, it doesn't seem like it. Yeah. Meanwhile, I'm watching charts, and well, we are heading to we are really heading to our drawn liquidity. So there's nothing we can do, guys. We'll have to wait and see because it's still not fixed. It's kind of annoying right now because it has been here for about, I don't know, maybe more than 1 hour. Um, and it's the issue is not fixed. Well, still no upgrade. We are still down. No upgrade at all. And yeah, that's kind of frustrating because I was not prepared for this, honestly. And I had no plan for a live just like this. But it is what it is, guys. Well, I guess I will end the stream here. There's no point being here, just waiting for Topstep to try to fix this issue. When I believe it's not a Topstep issue, it's an Amazon issue. So yeah, there's no point being here. So yeah, guys. Once again, I'm sorry about it. I'm really sorry. There will be more tomorrow. And yeah, what can I say? We had a bullish bias, and it's really delivering because I'm watching other traders here, and it's really delivering the bullish bias that we had. So yeah, it's kind of frustrating because I wasn't able to engage with it. But yeah, what can I say and what can I do? Nothing. So just being prepared for tomorrow, and yeah, and hoping that tomorrow will be a better day. So guys, thank you for being here. I'm really sorry about this live stream, but since Topstep is down, there's nothing I can do. I only work with Topstep. Probably will have to try to diversify and search for other prop firms. And yeah, it is what it is. So there's nothing we can do here. I'm really sorry. Hope you guys have a nice day. And yeah, if it will be possible, I will try to probably stream later on the PM session. But I don't know if Amazon really does not fix this issue. I will probably will have to wait until tomorrow. So guys, thank you very much once again. Thank you for being there. Thank you for your patience. And yeah, I hope tomorrow will be a better day for Topstep traders. Thank you, guys.